mistake is done, someone have to correct it. The goal here today is to make the beard look natural back again.
Hi there, my name is Sebastian. I'm from Vancouver, Canada, and I'm here at GLOJAS to fix a previous beard transplant that I was not satisfied with in Turkey. They over-harvested the back of my head. The beard is irregular for the naturality, and I'm here to make it more natural and restore the mustache area of a downward angle, the good French beard here, more proper line, getting rid of the multigrafts and putting the multigrafts back at the head.
The surgical planning is to remove the multigraft out which is misplaced, and also in considering to remove all the misdirection or the angle that is wrongly placed in the beard area, and to soften the upper part of the beard. To frame the face up, the mustache, the goatee and the beard must be the same as the hairline, the sideburn and the temple. This will give him the masculine and the natural look. This will be our challenge today. From this point to this point, when I connect, I draw this line appears, and this area is going to be a soft look with irregularity. This is a sideburn and it goes down, it connects to the beard. This area and this area is not balanced. So today we're going to try to make it more balanced to look more better. We're going to harvest from the back and going to make this phytrum with the FUE technique to fill up and to make a nice density around the phytrum, the right mustache, the left mustache, and also around here. When we re-FUE all the multi-grafts, that will be recycled back and to put around the soft look around on the right side here, that left side, maybe the goatee too. Today is day 1. The swelling has subsided very well and he's healing very well. Extraction site where the re-FUE was done yesterday is already closed. Again he healed very well. All the graft that re-FUE yesterday from the down below the jawline here is already put inside here. The mustache we have extracted from below here is a FUE. This area is untouched before we have taken and put so that we get a very natural mustache. The additional graft were also taken from the back, re-FUE untouched area where was not harvested before to put inside here. Now we have to wait for result in 3, 6, 9 months to see progress.